Today is a wonderful day. Today, my first day today. Today, I will go to school today. Today, now I'm a pupil today. Today is my favorite day.
Good morning, Anne.
Good morning, Alex. Good morning, Anne and Alex.
Good morning, Anne and Alex. Hurry up. Let's get out of bed. Hurry up. Let's make the bed.
I made my bed.
I made my bed too.
Great. Hurry up. Let's brush your teeth.
I'm brushing my teeth and washing my face.
I'm brushing my teeth and washing my face.
Perfect. Hurry up. Let's do hair.
I did my hair.
I did hair too.
Great. Hurry up. Let's eat breakfast.
Thanks, Mom, for a delicious breakfast.
Thank you, Mom.
Great. Hurry up. Let's get dressed.
I'm ready.
I'm ready too.
Great. Hurry up. Let's get shoes and the jacket.
I'm getting shoes and jacket.
I get shoes and now I'm getting a jacket.
Hurry up. Let's get lunch.
Here you are, Alex. Here you are, Anne.
Thanks, Mom, for lunch.
Thank you, Mom, for lunch.
Alex and Dan, let's grab a backpack. Hurry up. Let's hug and kiss.
Have a nice day. I love you, my lovely children.
I love you, Mom.
Mom, I love you.
Let's go to school.
Let's go to school. Let's let's learn and do. Let's go, let's make many friends. Let's go, let's ring the bells.
My name is Katy. My name is Anne.
My name is Alex.
My name is Alice.
My name is Mike.
My name is Stella.
My name is Jessica. My name is Steve.
My name is Janice.
My name is Dan.
Anne, repeat all names, please. Katy, Alex, Alice, Mike, Stella, Jessica, Steve, Janice, Dan. Great, Anne. Alex, please.
Miss Katy, Alex, Alice, Mike, Stella, Jessica, Steve, Janice, Dan.
Let's take a selfie. Anne, please. This is letter A.
Katy, I know a song of the letter A.
Great, Alex. Sing a song of the letter A. A, B, C.
This is an apple, it's letter A. This is a bee, it's letter B. This is a cloud, it's letter C. This is a cat, this is a cat. 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 This is an ant, it's letter A. This is a bird, it's letter B. This is a carrot, it's letter C. This is a car. 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 This is a car.
Perfect, Alex. This song is nice. Thank you, Alex. Now we are making paper crafts. We will make paper crafts for funny and friendly cute kids. Please look at my hands and we will make paper crafts and we are talking some stories. Alex, who lives with you?
I live with my mom, dad, and
And where do you spend your summer holiday? My family and I went to the farm and zoo, and we also traveled to several countries. And we went to the cinema.
I'm ready. I make craft card.
I made a craft card too. We are a great team.
Mom and Dad, today is a party. Can I make pizza, please? Yes, of course, Alex. Make a pizza.
I am a robot. I am a robot. I make pizza. I make pizza. Choose please pizza. Choose please pizza.
Give me, please. The cheese pizza, please.
I make pizza. I make pizza. What is the color? What is the color? What is the color of the cheese?
The cheese is yellow. The cheese is yellow. Cheese are yellow.
I make pizza. I make pizza. I make the cheese pizza.
Pizza is prepared. We can eat together. Pizza is delicious.
Pizza is tasty. Thank you, Alex, that you prepared the pizza.
Anne, why do you feel sad?
I don't know how to write essay.
Anne, let's help you and then we will play games with Alexis.
Oh, great idea, Alex.
And let's write an essay together.
Thanks, Alex.
And would you like to play a game?
Yes, Alex, I would like.
Alexis, do you have a game?
Yes, I have again. Let's pack your backpack in 1 minute.
I have a notebook.
Great. I have a pencil case. Nice.
I have a book.
Perfect. I have a pencil. Good.
I have an eraser.
Nice. I have a pen. Excellent.
I have a sharpener.
Good. I have scissors. So good.
I have a ruler.
Excellent. I have glue. Great.
I have a crayon.
Perfect. I have paintbrush. Good. You are a great team.
And would you like to play a game?
No, Alex, I am tired and want to sleep.
Bye, Anne.
Bye, Alex.
Good night.